Okay, so in this video I'm going to demonstrate balancing this equation, and my strategy is to begin with the most complex compound and balance for the atoms that are present in that substance first. So I'm going to start with the C6H14 in this skeleton equation. So start balancing carbons. I've got 6 carbons on the left, and at present I have 1 on the right. So to get that up to 6, I'm going to have to multiply everything in there by 6. Now I'm going to move on to hydrogen, and I have 14 on the left, and I have 2 on the right. So to get 2 up to 14, I'm going to have to multiply everything in there by 7. Okay. So now I'm done with all of the elements in that compound. I move on to the next reactant, which is oxygen. And on the left, I've got 2, and then on the right, it gets a little complicated. I've got 2 times 6 plus 7 times 1 plus 7. So that gives me 19 on the right. Now, if I want to get 2 up to 19, I'm going to have to multiply by 19 on 2. So that needs 19 on 2. So that reaction is balanced, but there's a fractional coefficient in front of the O2. So what I'm going to do is multiply all of my coefficients by 2 to eliminate that fraction. So this is going to become 2C6H14 plus 19O2 gives 12 CO2 and 14 waters. And if I check all of my atoms now, make that clear, check all of my atoms now, everything should be balanced. So carbon, I've got 2 times 6 on the left, that's 12. And over here, 12 times 1, that is also 12, so that is good. And then hydrogens on the left, I've got 2 times 14, that's 28. And then on the right, I've got 14 times 2, so that is also 28. So hydrogens are balanced. And then finally, I've got my oxygens. So on the left, I've got 19 times 2, that's 38 oxygens. And then on the right, got to do a little bit of math here. I've got 12 times 2, that's 24, plus another 14, and that's going to give me my 38. So all of my oxygens balance, 38 on the left and 38 on the right, and that's how I balance a complex equation with using a fractional coordinate initially and then multiplying through by 2 to eliminate that half. Okay, good luck.